Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 Jeep Liberty. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as one-touch window functionality, cruise control, and remote keyless entry. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.